To collect our water sample for volatile organics, when unsure, we use a bucket and rinse 3 times before collecting the aliquot sample. We pour off the samples into VOA vials in triplicate. The analysis for the Griffin uses a solid phase micro extraction fiber, as seen here. Here, we place the sample on a stir plate and turn it on to stir our sample. Then, we inject the SPIMI arrow into the septum and immerse the fiber into the sample. Push down to expose the fiber. This will sit for 30 minutes, allowing the compounds to adsorb onto the SPIMI fiber. After 30 minutes, we remove the SPIMI arrow from the sample, making sure to cover our fiber before removing it from the vial. And then we inject the sample into the inlet of the Griffin instrument. After injection, push down on the handle to expose the fiber within the instrument. So at the top is the chromatogram that the Griffin produces, and each peak that you see is a compound that was detected. This example is actually a standard that we injected into the Griffin so that we could demonstrate the capabilities of the instrument for you. At the bottom section, this is your mass spectrum. So for each peak, it tells you the mass to charge ratio that was measured and then compares it to a library of thousands of compounds so that we can identify with high probability of what that compound is. At the top left, this is the list of those library matches. And as you click through, it pulls up that next peak and then gives you the library compound name that matches it closely.